What is good, everybody? It's John, back here at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and I've got a huge 3-part update for you guys this week. So we're going to start with some footage that I got back on Friday, which was July 16th, and as you can see, they've got to what appears to be all the final markers placed, even over here by the old Green Lantern station. After taking a closer look, I can definitely confirm that they've placed the final markers in this area, and it also looks like they have started to do what appears to be drywall work actually inside of the old Green Lantern station. I wonder what this means. I wonder if this can, go along with the theory I was thinking earlier about this possibly being the new exit for the ride and not the entrance. I mean, why else would they be changing around a station that already exists? So I'm going to cut now to a picture that the ambassador was able to capture yesterday, July 19th on Monday, of a second arrival of track coming to the park. It doesn't appear that there were any supports brought in, but it's great to see another set of track, at least 6 to 8 pieces. Okay, back in the park now. It's Tuesday, July 20th at this point, and let's see what's changed. Everything over here pretty much seems the same. Looks like they're just waiting on the drills to come in. And as far as the drywall goes, looks like they're just still putting up more and continuing on work in the station. So what I noticed over here is they've brought in a lot of equipment. It seems that they've got 2 new lifts in. There's a couple new forklifts as well as excavators. I'm going to go take a look on the other side to see if there's anything else that they brought in. Here's just an overlook at the entire site from today, Tuesday, July 20th. Here's a closer look at the markers, as well as a closer look at the other side of the station. Nothing much has changed over here, but this seems to be the final turnaround point of the ride before it heads back to the station. Here's a quick look from the end turnaround that I was just referring to. So as we take a look over here, you're going to notice that there's spray paint on the ground by some of the markings. Now what this indicates is the corners of the caissons. Now caissons are basically big slabs of concrete to connect a bunch of the supports together. These are also typically used when it's the highest point of the ride, Or, some of the biggest supports of the ride, they'll use the caissons instead of just normal footers. This seems to be most likely where the top of the lift hill is going to go. As I was about to wrap up filming the update for the week, I just decided to come over here and happened to find that they brought the first set of rebar. And it's not in the parking lot, it's not on storage, it's actually on the site and looks ready to be put in. So this is amazing to see. Didn't see any drills on site today, but should be any day now before those show up and they start getting this rebar that we're looking at right here into the ground. That's going to conclude it for this week's update. Thanks to the ambassador for being at the park to capture the second delivery of track. Also, big thanks to you guys for checking the update out as usual. Make sure to tune in next week. And until then, this has been John, and this is your theme park ERT.